Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through how to fix Rheem Tankless water heater error code E5. What does Rheem Tankless water heater error code E5 means? The Rheem Tankless water heater error code E5 indicates a problem with the heat exchanger, which results in the water flow rate being too high in the system. This error can be triggered by issues such as blockages, faulty sensors, incorrect gas pressure, blocked air intake or exhaust, dirty air filters, etc. Solution 1. Adjust a water pressure regulator. Locate the water pressure regulator, typically installed near the main water shutoff valve. Use a wrench to adjust the regulator, turning it clockwise to decrease the water pressure and flow rate. Ensure the water pressure is within the recommended range for your tankless water heater, usually between 40 to 80 psi. Solution 2. Clean the water flow sensor. Locate the sensor, which is typically situated near the water heater inlet. Use a soft brush or cloth to gently clean any debris or mineral buildup from the sensor. Ensure the sensor is free of any obstructions and can move freely. Solution 3. Reset the error code. Locate the circuit breaker or power switch that controls the tankless water heater. Turn off the power to the water heater by switching the circuit breaker to the off position. Wait for a few minutes. Turn the power back on by switching the circuit breaker to the on position or plugging the unit back in. Solution 4. Contact a professional technician. If the E5 error code persists, it may be necessary to contact a professional technician for further assistance. They will have the expertise and tools to diagnose and repair any underlying issues with the water heater. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.